You see that? It is ganda. Ito akong kamatis. Daghan sa akong kamatis. So, karon nagluto ko kamatisang sinigang. I don't know. Dili ko nakabulo ang tawag. So, muato ko sa tindahan kay wala ang gulay. So, mabalik ko. Hey! Sunglass crew. Duncan. Ang baboy. Oh! Okay, we're heading to the store right now. Because I need... Oh my gosh, I need those. I need this. Boy, it's pretty windy today.
Oh, look, get one more and you'll have 10.
So, mabalik ko guys. Cabbage. Sa patatas. $6.99 a bag. Ito ako ang chicken bouillon. Siya. Ang tortilla. Ang cheese. Yeast. Yeast for my siupaw. This is yeast for my siupaw. And onion powder. Of course, milk. So, magluto ko karon. And, you know, nag-prepare sa kuang gulay kay daghan ang gibuhat sa, you know, like chopping and peeling. Putangina. So, right now, it's very crucial. Nagpalit ko ang cabbage. Kaya dili nagkita ang Swiss chard. Wala ang kamay ang selection ng vegetables sa tindahan. Ibutangan ko sa ko ang natural mantika sa beef. Ibutangan ko ang karne. Yeah. Gibutangan ako ang sa patatas kay gamay ang akong gulay. Dili ang perfect ha. Nagkamot ko ng ang cabbage. Parang nandot ba? Okay. Ang pilitan ang ako ang patatas. Sibuyas. Gibutangan ng bawang. Itong kamatis. I'm gonna let this simmer. And I will be back. Okay, tawa na. Dito ang harina. Baking powder. What importante sa after dry yeast for our siupaw. Yeast. Ang gamit ko sa tubig. Ito oh.
3 days of college? Because you don't free beans. You keep beans. And not only that, it seems you bought a bear.
Ginagamit ko sa cornstarch.
Just, well, I mean like this. Or at least get one batch. It shouldn't be but 4 or 5 hours. And the rest is how you and Jared do is just do the mixing and I just moved a whole Grace HD, which are I just moved 2 whole pallets of those, which that's 48 of those boxes. Yeah. No else just upset. Okay, sounds good. Yep, we'll see you. Well, you can't draw on that wall. Oh, I was gonna say you don't. Yeah.
I think so.
This is for my brother-in-law. Sus, nindot na. Taste test.
I guess. Are you sure you want to go through with it? Am I sure? When I'm done, the humans, they won't be able to say, honey, I'm home.
Butangan ako ang gulay.
Mr. Vincent. Because you don't free things. Bear, Aussie bear.
Never think.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
Sige.
yeah, that is hot as hell, isn't it? You better blow on.
Oh. Ganahan mo? You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Sus. Ang grabe, nindot naman. Sobrang init, so I will wait. This is the double boiler that I have to use to make siopao because I don't have the, you know, the bamboo one. Ah, ang init. Sobrang init sa kuwang balay. Kay magluto ko sa ko ang kamatisang baboy, ang karne, ang siopao. Warang init. This is the bottom. Oh my god, focus. Focus. It's the inside. Dito ang siopao. She got her hair cut. Actually, her fringe it got too long. You look like this little anime character from Studio Ghibli. From something Graveyard of the Fireflies or something. Are you gardening for me? My hair, it is a damn mess. But we're going to the farmer's market again because the lady is back. The husband and wife are back. It started like what, an hour ago, but we're on our way down there right now. I have to run some errands because I need dog food, I need cat food, I need toothpaste, I need a few things from the store, so we'll see. Are you gonna be a farmer girl and grow your own corn? Well,
Because I'm in then
Jeremy.
they have a bag. Do you have a I think we may need corn. Fancy.
Well, anyway,
Delicious.
it was fun.
Delicious.
Yeah,
Delicious.
it was fun. He has a good sense of humor about it.
Wow. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Yes, this is here very delicious. Very good.
I assume you're deep frying these.
We are at Dollar General. You want some cereal? We got milk. This creamer. Garlic ranch. Chipotle and Taco Bell sauce. And we're gonna have to get one. Maayong hapon sa tanan. Okay. I went to the farmer's market, right? And it went really, really good. I don't know, I just kind of like browsed around pretty much the same things. I got patatas, sibuyas, cucumber, and of course our favorite. Yay! Our bouquet of flowers to eat. I'm also gonna cook chicken cutlets, chicken schnitzels, and then I'm gonna unpack my groceries right here. I just got basic things for the kids. Cat food, dog food, 2 times milk, gallon of milk, pizzas, 2 pizzas because they were on sale. 1 extra large apple juice and regular size apple juice. Then I got Taco Bell Chipotle creamy sauce, lasagna, and then I got garlic ranch, creamer for coffee because we ran out, and then vegetable oil to deep fry my stuff. Now the only thing I forgot, oh yeah, of course, Jeremy's Funyuns. The only thing I forgot is toothpaste, so my bad on that one. And right now I'm just letting Jeremy kind of like play around outside. And I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking. Noel's asleep. Yeah, here's my amazing zucchini. I'm also gonna deep fry some of this. They are huge. So yeah, here's my fit. This is all Amazon. Amazon, Amazon. Amazon, Amazon. I am putting them in water. This is my cleansing water. Also having coffee. I'm going to prep my batter and then afterwards I'm gonna cook it up. Okay, the batter is very simple and straightforward. I'm adding a little bit of pepper in there, salt, baking powder, a little bit of thyme seasoning, garlic powder, and then onion powder. That was 2 cups of water, by the way. Okay, 1 egg. Second one. Oil in now. Now this is one of my favorite parts. Dip that in the batter. Let it drain out a little bit until you're ready to plunk it in to the oil. I'm just gonna do these ones. Oh, you need to be careful with the stem because I broke mine. Okay. Okay, that should be good enough for now. Okay, like I told you guys, this is one of my favorite parts. Here we go. Here it is, the blossoms, and gorgeous. It's so delicious. Already tried one, so